Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to showcase some amazing tools that every DIY enthusiast and professional needs in their arsenal. We'll be diving into the Robert Staple Hammer, the Wolfcraft Scraper, the FESTOOL of 1010, and more. Each of these tools has unique features that will enhance your projects and make your work easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out our previous videos for more fantastic content. The Rubiscraper electric grout scraper is a game changer for removing old grout quickly and efficiently. With its precision control and powerful motor, it makes even the toughest grout removal a breeze, saving you time and effort on your next renovation project. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, and it's suitable for a variety of tile surfaces, making it a must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Say goodbye to hand scraping and hello to smooth, clean results with the Rubiscraper. The Wolfcraft Scraper is a game changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its ergonomic handle and precision blade, this tool makes removing paint, adhesive, and other stubborn materials a breeze. Its durable construction ensures longevity, while the replaceable blades allow for easy maintenance. Whether you're prepping surfaces for painting or tackling tough cleanup jobs, the Wolfcraft Scraper delivers outstanding results every time. Its compact design makes it easy to store and carry, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. Get ready to streamline your projects and achieve a flawless finish with the Wolfcraft Scraper. Introducing the Robert Staple Hammer, a game changer for anyone tackling DIY projects. This handy tool features a unique design that combines the functionality of a hammer and a staple gun, making it perfect for upholstery, roofing, and more. With its durable construction, the staple hammer delivers powerful strikes, ensuring staples are driven deep and securely into various materials. Plus, its lightweight design allows for easy handling, reducing fatigue during extended use. Whether you're a professional or a weekend warrior, the Robert Staple Hammer will elevate your crafting experience and get the job done right. The Arbortech Ball Gouge is a revolutionary tool that transforms your wood carving experience. With its unique ball-shaped design, this gouge allows for effortless contouring and hollowing, making it perfect for sculptors and DIY enthusiasts alike. The 30mm cutting diameter offers precision, while the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip during extended use. Whether you're crafting intricate details or shaping larger surfaces, the ball gouge delivers smooth finishes and exceptional control. Upgrade your toolkit with the Arbortech Ball Gouge and unleash your creativity like never before. The HILTI T2000-22 cordless metal screwdriver is a game changer for professionals working with metal. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, it offers powerful torque and precision, making metal fastening quick and effortless. Its cordless design provides flexibility on-site, and with HILTI's advanced battery technology, you get long-lasting performance without interruptions. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use, while its compact design allows access to tight spaces. Whether you're assembling metal frames or working on industrial applications, the ST2000-22 delivers reliability and efficiency in every job. The Arbortech Power Chisel is a revolutionary tool that transforms your woodworking experience. This powerful chisel offers a unique combination of speed and precision, allowing you to carve, shape, and detail wood like never before. With its ergonomic design and lightweight build, you can easily maneuver it for intricate designs or larger projects without fatigue. The quick change chisels make switching between tasks a breeze, while the robust motor ensures consistent performance. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, the Arbortech Power Chisel will take your creativity to new heights and help you achieve stunning results effortlessly. The FESTOOL OF1010 is a game-changer for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike. This compact plunge router features a powerful 1010-watt motor, allowing for precision cutting and shaping in various materials. Its variable speed control ensures optimal performance for different tasks, while the dust extraction system keeps your workspace clean. The ergonomic design offers excellent handling, making it easy to maneuver for intricate projects. With its easy-to-adjust depth settings and compatibility with various guide rails and accessories, the OF1010 is the perfect tool for achieving professional results every time. The HILTI T2000-22 cordless metal screwdriver is a game-changer for professionals working with metal. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, it offers powerful torque and precision, making metal fastening quick and effortless. Its cordless design provides flexibility on-site, and with HILTI's advanced battery technology, you get long-lasting performance without interruptions. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use, while its compact design allows access to tight spaces. Whether you're assembling metal frames or working on industrial applications, the ST2000-22 delivers reliability and efficiency in every job. Thank you for watching. We hope you found our tool review helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tool insights and DIY tips. Remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep creating and stay safe.